Hi guys, welcome to our interesting playlist that is a master Linq query. So in this video, we are going to understand how we can apply the left outer join between multiple tables. So before watching this video, suppose in case of you are new, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's get started. So left outer join between multiple table means what? So like suppose we have a multiple tables. Okay, so DT1, DT2, DT3, DT4, and I need to put the data into the DT1 based on matching criteria. Means what? I need to get the data from DT1 and write into the DT2 to DT1. I need to get the data from DT3. I need to write into the DT1. I need to get the data from DT4. I need to write into the DT1 based on matching criteria. Okay, so what exactly meaning of that? So let's consider that this is my Excel. Okay, having material code, customer mail, postcode, amount and location. These are columns. Okay, these two column as a blank. I need to fill this information, means amount and location. So this amount I need to get from sheet 2. Okay, and I need to get the location from sheet 3 based on this matching criteria. That matching criteria is if material code is equal to material code from sheet 2, then I need to get the amount and write into the sheet 1. Okay, likewise I need to check the all material code and write the amount, respective amount, and that amount I need to get the from sheet 2. Again same location, I need to check the postcode is equal to postcode, sheet 3 postcode, and if it is same, then I need to get this location and write into the sheet 1. So this is nothing but a left outer join between multiple table. Means what? Left table is fixed, means what? My first table DT1 is fixed, and right tables are means it is not going to fix, means it's a matchable. Then I need to get only matchable record, I need to get the from right table. Okay, so let's see, we are going to write the how we can write the Linq query for left outer join between for multiple tables. Okay, so I am going to, I already complete some part. Okay, means what? I need to get the data from that Excel, means this is sheet 1 and I need to store the data from sheet 1 to DT1, and I'm going to store the data from sheet 2 to DT2 and this one DT3. My sheet 3 record data which is available into the DT3, and sheet 2 DT2, sheet 1 DT1. So my already that part has been done, means get the data from that Excel. So that is a easy. Okay, so that part is already done. Here we are going to write the Linq query. So let's see how we can write the Linq query for a multiple tables, for a, means a left outer join for a multiple tables. Okay, so please be concentrate on this, it's very important. Okay, so let's see. So my always link start from this moon bracket, and here second line is the iteration line from row underscore 1 in dt1. Yeah, in dt1. So second line, that is also, that is a group join. Here I'm going to put the row 3. Okay, row 2, sorry, in dt2. Okay, so on here I'm going to put the matching criteria. Okay, so that criteria is row 1 in bracket double quotes. I need to put the what exactly you need to match. I need to match the material code is equal to material code. Okay, material code is equal to material code, correct? So material code is equal to material code, and here I'm going to write the dot to string. Okay, then here I'm going to write the equals. I need to equal this material code to row 2. Okay, here I'm going to push paste as it is. Okay, here I'm going to write the row 2. What is the meaning of this line? So row 1 come from this dt1, and it is going to check the all material code from dt2. Whatever the matchable, take that record and create a one group, and I need to store that group. So that's why here I'm going to write the into that grp underscore 1 is equal to group. I'm going to store that group into the variable. Correct? So what exactly here? So row 1 come here and check that row 1 means dt1 row 1 from dt1 and check the all record from dt2. Yeah, this is match material code, this one material code, this one material code, whatever the matchable record, it is going to create a group and that store that group into the grp underscore 1. So that is the meaning of this line. Same thing again I need to check from dt3. Correct? So that's why I'm going to copy and paste it here. And instead of 2, I'm going to write the 3 from dt3. Okay. All record from dt3 come here one by one and check the material. Sorry, what I need to check? I need to check the postcode. So I'm going to copy the postcode variable column name and paste it here. This is going to check the postcode. Yeah, this one postcode is equal to postcode. Postcode is equal to postcode. Whatever the postcode matchable, then it is going to create a group, and that I need to store that group into the grp underscore 2. So now we have a two group. So what exactly execution here? First material code come here, and it is going to check the all record from C2. Yeah, A is there, A is there, A is there. Whatever the A found, it is going to create a group and store into the grp underscore 1. Then again same. First postcode is come here and check the all record from this C3. This postcode is equal to this postcode is equal to seat1 postcode. This postcode is equal to seat1 postcode. If it is matchable, then whatever the matchable row, it is going to create a group. That is the meaning of this fourth line. Okay, then we need to iterate that group. How we can iterate the group? So again, iteration purpose, we need to write the query again. So r1 from r1 in grp dot default if empty. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Suppose suppose a group one means whatever the matchable record from this C2. Okay, so it is going to create a group. Okay, so here I'm going to iterate that group. Might be they means might be like there is a no matchable record, then what happen? So default empty means it is going to consider a nothing. Okay, so that is the meaning of this default if empty. If no record in grp1, then it is going to consider a nothing means blank string. Okay, so next again we have a second group. Okay, means grp2. Again we are going to iterate the second group, like grp underscore 2 dot default if empty. Okay, so that's it. Then next, so here we are going to iterate the one by one group. Then we need to select that, we need to create a output. Okay, so here I'm going to get the structure of this dt1. Okay, I'm going to get the structure of dt1. Okay, dt1 underscore 1 dot clone. So it is going to get the column name from dt1, all column name from dt1. I need to write this material code, C customer name, postcode, and amount and location. So amount I need to get from C2, location I need to get from C3. Okay. So for that purpose, what I need to do? I have already structure. See, dt1 dot clone means we have a structure, data table structure. We need to add the one by one record into that data table. So how we can add that? So what I need to do? I need to add the rows. So what I need to add that? So that's why I'm going to mention the add in bracket. What is the activity in UiPath? Which activity in UiPath we are going to add the one by one record into the data table? That is a add data row. That is a very similar to that. See, this line is very similar to that. It is going to add the one by one record into the TT1. Okay, here I'm going to pass the array of string. Okay, string array. So my first is row 1 in bracket as it is. I need to write the material code as it is now. So that's why I'm going to mention this as it is material code. Okay, which is from row 1, getting from row 1. Correct. So dot to string. Okay, comma. So again, I need to write the customer name now. So I'm going to copy and paste it here. Whatever the column you required into the output, you can get that. Okay, so see, this is a customer, and this is for postcode. I am going to copy this as it is and paste it here. Postcode, comma, row 1 in bracket double quotes dot to string. Yeah, fine. Okay, so this is a as it these things I need to require from DT1, and that is a as it is. Row 1 come here, and it is going to matchable record, create a group GRP1 and GRP2. Okay, so next comma, I need to write the amount. Okay, how we can write that? If R1, if R1 dot is not nothing. Okay, is not nothing means what? R1 having some data. Okay, that is the meaning of that. If R1 is not nothing. Okay, then what I need to do? I need to write the amount R1 in bracket, that I need to write the amount. Okay, that's it. Dot to string, again comma. Okay, if it is not nothing, if it is not nothing, then it is going to get the amount from C2. Otherwise, I need to write the not match. Not match. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so again we have a second. Okay, again we need to write the location as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, instead of R1, I need to write the R2 for a location. Okay, and my location which is available into the C3, so I'm going to write the R2. R2 getting from DT3 matchable record, and it is going to create a GR2 group, and iteration of GR2 is a R2, so that's why I'm going to write the R2 here. And finally I need to put into the data table, so that's why copy to data table. Yeah, so that's it. Something went wrong. Yeah, into. Yeah, so this is nothing but iteration. This is fine, this is also fine. Default if empty. Yeah, so dt1 dot clone dot rows. Yeah, something went wrong. Okay, row 2 correct. Here I need to write the row 3. Okay, because my postcode which is available into the row 3. Okay, so yeah, so this is nothing but how we can write the query for a multiple tables as a left join. Okay, so finally I need to store the result into the DT1. Okay, and I'm going to write the DT3 into the DT1 into the different sheet. Okay, I'm going to apply the right range. Here I'm going to mention the sheet number 6, and I need to write the DT1, and let's go with this add headers option. Okay, and I'm going to start the execution. Okay, let's see what happened. Yeah, it is going to take a record from sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and it is going to create a left joint and write whatever the result found. It is going to write into the different sheet, that is a sheet 6. See, okay, my result is ready. We need to check that. Yeah, yeah. So A1 is equal to material code is equal to material code. So A1 is equal to A1. Then it is going to write the 48,000. Yeah, 48,000. It is fine. So what again? What I need to check? So this ND 117 ND and 117 ND correct. So LGW. so it is going to write the LGW. Yeah, so same like that. If it is not match, not match means C, so this is going to not match. Okay, so only amount means material code is equal to material code match. So see, BBB, here we have a BBB, here also we have a BBB. It is going to take up 5,000 and write, sorry, 50,000 and write it here. Okay, means it is not going to not match. Okay, so 7YF. Okay, 7YF, it is not available into the sheet 3. 7YK, so that's why it is not going to write the LHR. So it is, instead of that, it is going to write the not match location. It is not going to match. Okay, means postcode is equal, it postcode is equal to postcode, it is not correct, means for this case. Okay, so this is nothing but how we can write the query for a multiple tables. So let's see, again I am going to explain this query in deep level. So this is going to iteration line. It is going to get the one by one row from DT1. First row come here. This is nothing but a loop body. First row come here and take a one by one record from DT2 and check the material code is equal to material code. If it is not, again take a second record from DT2. If it is not match, again take a all record from DT. All record going to get one by one record from DT2, and it is going to check that is it equal, is it equal, is it equal. Whatever the equal data, then it is going to create a group and store into the GRP1. This is for DT1 lookup with DT2. And again, so now in loop, so my execution come here, and row 1 from DT1, it is going to take check all record from DT through. Yeah, this postcode is equal to this postcode, this postcode code is equal to this postcode. This my row 1, it is going, row 1 from DT1, it is going to check the all record from DT3. Whatever the matchable record, it is going to create a group, and that group it is going to store into the grp underscore 2. This is nothing but a explanation of fourth line. Then next we have a grp1 and grp2. We have a two group. Okay, so it is, suppose a group means what, we have a collection. Okay, so how we can iterate the collection? So it is going to iteration line for a grp means group iteration line. So might be in grp we don't have any record, means there is no matchable record found into the uh, table. So then default empty means what, it is going to consider a nothing. Nothing means empty string. Okay, an empty string come here, and it is going to check, yeah, it is not empty means get the amount, otherwise it is empty means not match. It is going to write the not match. So come here this line. Okay, so this about two lines, fifth and sixth, it is going to iterate the grp1 and grp2. My execution come here, and it is going to take a blank structural dt, and it is going to add the one by one record. And here we are going to pass the array row. How we can add the row into the data table? We have a two method. One is the array row, second is the data row. So that is the same meaning of this line, that is array row. So first row come here, first row from material code write as it is, C mail write as it is, postcode add write as it is. R1 is not nothing means what? So GRP, suppose we don't have any means, suppose we have a record into the GRP, means first record is equal to first record matchable, then material code is equal to material code matchable. It is going to create a group. If group having data, that is meaning of this, is not match, nothing, it's not nothing. Not nothing means something have into that variable, so it is going to take amount. Otherwise nothing means not match. Nothing means it is going to write the not match. Same like for row 2 from dt through dt3. Okay, so it is going to add the all record into the dt1 and paste into the data table. Again take a second record from dt2 and check the all record from dt1, all record from dt3, create a two group, iterate that group, matchable, then write the amount and location, otherwise it is going to match, write the not match. So likewise it is going to iterate the all record from dt1. Okay, so left table is fixed and iterate the means left table is fixed and matching record from right table. So that is the meaning of left outer join. Okay, suppose like you have lakhs of record in every table, and you need to write the query as a strong. So how we can write that? Instead of this dt1, you are passing the dt1 now, you can write the cast of that dt1, dt dot rows. Okay, rows dot cast in bracket of data row, data row. This query stronger than earlier. Means here we are going to passing the, instead of object as a row, we are going to pass the directly row. Otherwise it is going to convert that object to row. So internally that kind of things is going to happen. So instead of passing the object as a row, so you are going to pass the directly row. So that is the meaning of this. It is going to convert the object to data row. Okay, instead of this one also you can put like this. Instead of dt3 you can put like this. So that is the meaning of this rows dot cast of data row. Though now this query is very stronger. Suppose in case of like you have lakhs of data, 10 lakhs of data, and you are going to applying the VLOOKUP or left outer join and between 3 4 table. So 4 table means what, guys? Again you need to copy and paste this line, and again you need to add the one more iteration line. That's it. This is nothing but how we can iterate the how we can apply the left join between 4 table, left join between 5 table. So likewise you can update this means increment this line, fourth line, copy and paste kind of things. Okay, so yeah, so this is all about this left outer join between multiple tables. Okay, so please like and subscribe to this channel. In case of any query, please drop the comment into the comment box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Okay, so yeah, thanks.